G'day, Belmo here. If you live in Southern California or just outside of Los Angeles and you would like to bowl with me, take photos with me, get my autograph, hang out with me, ask me a bunch of questions, well, you can, because I'm running 2 BELMO experiences in Southern California. The first is on September 7th at Cow Bowl, and then on September 8th, it is at Oak Tree Lanes. Now, if that sounds exciting to you or someone that you know would like to do that, please go to proapproachbowling.com while you can still get tickets, because after last year's super successful BELMO experience, the tickets are going fast. So like I said, proapproachbowling.com to get your BELMO experience tickets. In fact, anything that you need for your pro shop visits, go to the boys and girls at Pro Approach Bowling. They are the best in town by far. But hopefully I get to say that to you, in front of you, to your face, either at Cow Bowl on the 7th of September or Oak Tree Lanes on the 8th when you come to a BELMO experience. Till then, be good. Hope to see you there. Peace.